Where's the achar today?
It's over. Plastic is like, people think it's the biggest insult you can give someone. I think before I could have even stepped into the industry, people had a preconceived notion of what I'm like and who I am. Most of it was negative already.
Which was the last song you listened to?
Tenu Sang Rakhna by Arijit.
Jigra.
Yeah.
Right.
Such a good song.
Yeah.
I feel like my driver's going to be judging me. Wapas yehi gana.
For this side of the house, and I can see one beautiful flying statue without any support. What is that exactly?
Well, my dad likes to say it's based off of him in his younger days, but that's just a really bad dad joke. But we can go outside and have a look.
Yeah, sure. Wow. Quite a luxury to have outdoor space in Mumbai.
Yeah, it's nice because the dogs have a lot of space to run around and everything.
Yeah.
But I actually don't spend a lot of time outdoor as much as I would a foodie. Maybe not as much as Janvi.
What about your exercise and all?
My gym is right here actually, so I can even walk and reach. It's very.
Do you go
convenient.
walking though?
I come back walking usually. It's a nice down the slope walk.
Yeah, Bandra is a great place to live, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you have like deep spiritual talks with your sister, or have you taken any advice from Janvi? She's fairly more experienced than you.
Yeah, she just tells me to be myself because my personality at home is very different to my personality outside. I'm not as shant at home as I am outside because I'm comfortable here. I think she's more chirpy.
Yeah. But I hear you are daddy's favorite.
I think it's because I'm the youngest.
Yeah, I know. Perks of being the youngest. I'm the youngest too. Like, I get away with a lot of things.
Where so many kids, by the time it got to me,
Yeah.
he was like, "Ha, theek hai, chalega."
What was the craziest thing that your parents or your father would have done for you?
Oh my god, I remember we went to New York while mom was shooting English Winglish, and there was one shot in the park where a dog just had to cross, and it was this little tiny dog, and I have an obsession with dogs, obviously.
Yeah.
So they called me to set, and I saw this dog, and I said, I have to have it. I need this dog and everything. That night, my dad took me to that dog's fashion show, because in New York they have pet fashion shows and things like that. So me and my father have gone to a pet fashion show and watched all these dogs in costumes walking the ramp, and then immediately when we came back to Bombay, he got me that same breed.
Oh my god.
Yes. This is bhaji.
Is this like the pav bhaji wala bhaji?
Yeah, but I
or-
have it with paratha. Is that odd?
Bhaji with paratha I've not had, but I would love to try.
We mix a lot of different combinations.
I know.
with this.
So last time I tried the chicken curry and idli for the first time.
Yeah.
I'm allowed to have first times.
Yeah.
But the internet did not approve of
Oh,
it.
no.
Yeah. Well, this time around, we are having a delicious Sunday brunch. I'm back in the Kapoor house, but it's with Khushi Kapoor. So, Khushi, what do we have here?
We have brown rice, salmon fish curry, which all my friends love for some reason, beetroot sabzi, we have chicken keema,
Okay.
and then we have coconut milk, which I have with the appam.
Okay.
It's slightly sweeter.
Like appam with coconut
Milk. Yeah.
Plain coconut
It's
milk,
just
that's
plain
it.
coconut milk, but the coconut milk is on the sweeter side a little bit. Dal, palak paneer, and bhaji, and jawar paratha.
And bhaji is to be eaten not with pav, but with
Paratha.
paratha.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this. I've never tried this before.
Hummus.
Appam with bhaji. Have you tried that?
Maybe today can be a first. Okay. The spice level in this house is a lot for people to tolerate, but if you've had food here before, then I think it must be fine.
Yeah. But what about you? You also like spicy food?
Yeah, I think since I was a young kid, it's always been spicy food all the time. When we travel, my dad has a suitcase full of green chilies with him.
What about you? I remember last time Janvi was eating green chilies like I would eat onion with food, right?
And I call Mondial. It's in Juhu only. It's next to JNS, so I feel like a lot of there were some food stands and all that would be around the school a lot. So it'd be like an after school thing to finish school and then go there, get pani puri, get dosas and stuff like that.
तो आप स्कूल में कैसे थे? Were you shy, naughty, mischievous?
मैं actually जाती ही नहीं थी.
Really?
That was the main problem. I actually dropped a lot of my subjects in my last 2 years because I did IB certificate. So my subjects were theatre, English, and the most basic level math because I absolutely hate math. But theatre I used to really enjoy. So I
Yeah.
kind of put most of my time investing into theatre. Theatre was my only higher level subject as well because I knew this is what I wanted to do at the end of the day.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
was that clear? At what age did you know that you want to use film?
My dad had told me to watch the original movie a really long time ago. I remember watching it and really liking it. He told me that this movie is being made in Hindi, and I was really very excited because I like the original movie so much. It's a really nice story, it's very relevant. And then I had a narration. I thought the dialogues were so funny and the script was so funny, especially because the original one was made in the South. So, of course, I think culture in the jokes makes a huge difference. So, when I had heard this script, I was laughing out loud. And that's not something I do very easily, also.
When you sign on a film, Khushi, your father has been in the industry for so long, sister also. आप किसी से advice लेते हो या खुद decide करते हो कि मुझे कौन सी film करनी है?
Janvi or Papa?
Like to have. You want to have this chicken?
I'm gonna have the appam and the coconut actually.
Okay. Which was the last song you listened to?
I'm obsessed with Tenu Sang Rakhna by Arijit.
Jigra.
Yeah.
Right.
Such a good song. Like the version in the movie, basically BGM. But I was so obsessed with it. I went on YouTube and I searched for it, and there's this slowed down version of Tenu Sang Rakhna. That's my favorite. Because I feel like my driver's going to be judging me because being like, "Wapas yehi gana." But then I'm like, it's fine. I really want to hear this song. Because I'll sit and immediately that same song will start first thing, and I'll look and I'll be like, oh shit, I feel really bad for him. But
अच्छा driving आती है?
I have a license and I can drive if I need to, but I don't.
And you
just
prefer
for the
not
safety
to.
of other people.
Yeah, please, Khushi. Yeah. I think it's a good idea. What's the most used emoji for you? And what does it say about your personality?
I know it's lame, but I use the white heart a lot. I don't know why. I just like how it looks.
Okay.
It's more aesthetic to me than the red heart.
And what's your daily screen time?
I don't know, but I think it's a lot. I just tend to wake up and check my phone like every person does, I think.
And the first app you open every morning?
WhatsApp.
Who's the most famous person in your phone contacts?
Bonnie Kapoor.
Ooh. And what do you think are the perks and perils of being famous? Of course, you've been raised in a family who's always had the limelight.
I think there's many perks and many setbacks as well. As great as it is being in this family, there's so much I've gotten because I'm in this family. I do come with a certain baggage because of it as well. I think before I could have even stepped into the industry, people had a preconceived notion of what I'm like and who I am. Most of it was negative already before I could even have a chance to really express myself.
Was it negative?
I mean, maybe I was younger. I just focused on the negative. I think there's a good side and there's a bad side as well. Like everything in life, I think I just have to focus more on the good.
But when you hear anything negative about yourself, does it really bring down your energy? Does it really bother you? What phase are you in currently?
I think Dad would probably tell me, so I don't think I'd have to tell him.
Okay. To manage boy troubles or relationship issues.
My sister.
Okay.
I'm trying not to say that for everything.
But is she good with relationship advice?
I think she's good with everything, and it's also just like a younger sibling thing. I think to just naturally go to your older sister or brother for everything.
Yeah, and you share everything with her.
Yeah, I don't think there's something she doesn't know about me.
Dealing with haters.
My sister.
Paula Vyapa. The
Thank
trailer
you.
looks amazing. And before we let you go, please teach me the step which has been going viral.
It's quite easy. So
Okay.
L-O-V-E, yapa yapa. L-O-V-E, yapa yapa.